In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to UKG Pro 2025 step by step. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type UKG Pro Login, then look for the official UKG site in the results. You can also go directly to the secure URL at launch.ukg.net login. Before you proceed, double check that the address bar shows the correct domain and that your connection is secure. This helps protect your personal information while you sign in. If you'll be using UKG Pro regularly, consider bookmarking the login page for quick access later. Once you're on the UKG launch page, you'll see the option to log in. This is the hub that routes you to your company's UKG Pro sign-in screen. Click Log In to continue. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a second or refresh the tab. Using a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox usually offers the smoothest experience. Next, you'll arrive at the secure sign-in screen. Start by entering your username. Your organization typically provides this, and it may be your work email or a company-specific ID. Type it carefully, watching out for extra spaces before or after your username. If your keyboard layout recently changed or your device is auto-filling the wrong account, clear the field and enter it manually. After your username is in, move to the password field. Passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on by mistake. If there's a show or hide password icon, use it to confirm you've typed everything correctly, especially if your password includes numbers, special characters, or a mix of upper and lower case. For the best experience, avoid saving your password on shared or public computers. With both fields complete, click Sign In. If your company uses additional security like multi-factor authentication or single sign-on, you may briefly see extra prompts. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be directed back to UKG Pro. When the login is successful, you'll land on your UKG Pro dashboard, where you can access pay information, time off requests, schedules, and other HR tools your employer has enabled. If you encounter an error, first recheck your username and password for typos. You can also refresh the page or try another supported browser. If you still can't get in, reach out to your organization's HR or IT support for help, as they can verify your account details and reset credentials if needed. That's it. You've learned the fastest, most reliable way to log into UKG Pro in 2025. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your login.